Are you looking for a quick escape? Save this video for whenever you need a moment of serenity. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Right now, let everything else fade away. Imagine stepping into a peaceful world, a warm cottage, the golden glow of candlelight, the scent of fresh flowers in the air. You walk along the stone path, feeling the soft earth beneath your feet. The gentle breeze carries the whisper of rustling leaves and the distant bird song. Nothing to rush, nowhere to be, just you and this moment of calm. Breathe in this peace, and as you exhale, carry this stillness with you. Whenever life feels overwhelming, remember, this quiet place is always with you.